All right, do you guys love pumpkin spice Shakeology? We've got a recipe that is going to blow your mind. Check it out.
This muffin is basically a cupcake.
Fantastic.
It's delicious.
So excited.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's get going.
All right, gluten-free all-purpose flour. Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Little sea salt. And a little pumpkin pie seasoning.
There we go. And I've got the wet stuff. So I have, of course, some plain pumpkin puree, no additives here.
I will probably eat this muffin just without frosting because I dig it.
Now, while you can do that, this is coconut beverage out of the carton, not the can.
You're gonna tell me it won't taste good that way?
Well, I designed this to have a lot of the sweetness come from the frosting.
Ah, I
so your
see.
muffin is not gonna be very sweet, but once you get that sweet frosting on there, it's a whole nother story. I got a couple eggs. And this is melted coconut oil.
I know that's really supposed to spread my frosting, but I didn't have anything to mix it with.
Nice job.
Took my
I did, I
spatula.
stole your spatula.
So.
Maple syrup's going in. A little bit of sweetness in here. And some vanilla extract. I'm just gonna whisk this up. Now I don't even want your spatula. I have really ruined the whole game here.
Are we going my dry into your
Your
wet?
dry into my
so
wet.
So give me this.
Okay.
So you're not
I had to get that puree
We're
out of the bowl.
We're professional around here, okay?
Don't worry, we're gonna make it work. Why don't you go ahead and add that?
All at once?
All at once is fine.
All at once. So you go ahead and scoop.
No.
Do you want me to make frosting while you scoop?
You can go ahead.
Let's see if I can guess what we have. This looks like coconut sugar.
Exactly.
1 for 1. Coconut milk beverage. 2 for 2. I don't know what the next one is.
You gotta know what that is.
It's
That's the most
gluten-free.
important ingredient. What's this whole recipe based on?
Oh, this is Shakeology.
Yeah.
Duh.
That's the pumpkin spice Shakeology.
Cream cheese?
Whipped cream cheese.
Whipped cream
Yes.
cheese, okay.
Buying the pre-whipped stuff makes the frosting a lot easier.
And then I'm assuming I'm gonna use my little
You got
hand
a
blender.
hand blender over there? Yeah. I like to use the hand blender because it really whips it up and makes it nice and airy.
We're gonna whip it good. Here we go. Maybe it's the frosting that I would eat by itself.
That for sure.
All right, well, frosting's ready, even though the muffins are not.
Get them nice and even. They have to go in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, it's important to let them cool all the way before you frost them. You don't want your frosting to melt on there, which
Right,
we've let
which
these
we've
do.
done.
Yeah. All right, we both got a spatula. Now, the measurement is 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon, which equals about 1 heaping tablespoon, because you don't want to try and get it into 2 different things and then try and spread it. So if you get a good heaping tablespoon in there,
Okay.
you'll see how much we need.
This makes 12 servings, it's 1 muffin each, and the containers are 1½ yellows, half of a blue, and 1 teaspoon.
There we
won't
go.
be anything left but muffin crumbs when I'm done with this.
That Shakeology, it has a nice thickening effect.
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of frosting.
Yeah, I mean, I guess theoretically you don't have to use it all. It's gonna change your container count, but who doesn't want frosting?
Excited.
All right,
Cheers.
cheers.
That frosting's yummy. Oh, a good pumpkin muffin.
Ain't nobody complaining about that.
No.
All that spice you're looking for, you get a nice heaping helping of frosting, but you're not going crazy on containers, you know?
No, your containers at 1½ yellows, half of blue, and a teaspoon. That's amazing for something that tastes basically like a coffee shop muffin.
Yeah.
You know, you get those big ones and they're like filled with cream cheese and
they're like 15 teaspoons.
it's just going
yeah.
right to your gut. Like, this is so much better for your health. So if you guys want to make the recipe, you can get it right here on Beachbody On Demand. Remember, you do need your pumpkin spice Shakeology in order to make this frosting. So make sure you order it. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Happy holidays.
1½ yellows. I have enough teaspoons left, or I have enough containers left for that.
Nice.